Hey, stop wasting months with slow progress. This one full-body calisthenics plan finally made my body grow, and it can do the exact same for you in weeks, not years. Look, if you're doing calisthenics religiously but still feel like you're barely getting bigger, I've got you. By the end of this video, you're getting my complete 20-minute full-body plan that's built for one thing: faster muscle growth with zero equipment. You'll learn the exact exercises, sets, reps, and progression tricks that turn average size into jacked versions of themselves. Stick around, and you'll walk away with a simple system you can start tomorrow morning. All right, here's the plan I call the Muscle Accelerator Full Body Protocol. You're doing this workout 3 times per week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, with at least one rest day between each. Each session is only 20 minutes. Here's exactly what you do. Exercise 1, pull power, back plus biceps. Start with pull-ups. If you can't do them yet, use Australian pull-ups or negative pull-ups. 4 sets of 6 to 12 reps. Focus on a 3-second lowering phase. That eccentric is pure muscle-building gold. Exercise 2, push power, chest plus shoulders plus triceps. Next, diamond push-ups or regular push-ups with hands shoulder width. 4 sets of 8 to 15 reps. Squeeze your chest at the top like you're crushing a walnut between your pecs. Exercise 3, leg destroyer, quads plus hamstrings plus glutes. Bulgarian split squats or pistol squat progressions. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps per leg. Keep your front knee tracking over your toes, no knee caving. Exercise 4, dips for width, chest plus triceps plus shoulders. Parallel bar dips or bench dips if you're newer. 4 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Lean forward slightly to hit more chest. Exercise 5, core finisher, hanging leg raises or lying leg raises. 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Slow and controlled, no swinging. Rest 60 to 90 seconds between sets. Total time, 20 minutes flat. The magic? Progressive overload. Every week you either add 1 to 2 reps, slow the tempo even more, or move to a harder variation. That's how you force your muscles to grow faster than ever with just body weight. Now, let's save you some pain. 99% of guys screw this up. Mistake number 1, training every single day. Your muscles grow on rest days, not while you're destroying them. Mistake number 2, zero progression. Same reps, same form forever. That's why you're stuck. Mistake number 3, forgetting to eat. You can't build muscle in a calorie deficit. Aim for a slight surplus with plenty of protein, 1.6 to 2 grams per kg of body weight. Mistake number 4, rushing reps. Slow eccentrics and full range of motion beat sloppy fast reps every time. Fix these and you'll actually see the shirt-splitting results. Here's your dead simple 7-day starter plan. Day 1, full workout, Monday. Day 2, active recovery, walk 8K steps. Day 3, full workout, Wednesday. Day 4, rest or light mobility. Day 5, full workout, Friday. Day 6 and 7, full rest plus eat like you mean it. Track your reps in your phone notes. Every Sunday night, plan your next week's progressions. Do this for 4 weeks straight and you'll be shocked at the mirror. If this plan fired you up, smash that like button. It tells me to drop more of these. Drop your current pull-up number in the comments so I can give you personalized tweaks in the next video. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that button and the bell. Next week, I'm revealing the exact morning routine that melts fat while building muscle. You got this. Now go get jacked.